What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update, of course, on Solana. Alright, so wanted to do a full video. Overall, yesterday wasn't the best day, but right now we are quite bullish for obvious reasons, and that is that Bitcoin is quite bullish as well, right? So I'm not sure what I said yesterday about Solana. I do think that I was mostly positive and mostly bullish about it. Because at this point of time, I also still hold a Solana long position. All right, so I should have been bullish. If I was not, I was lying to myself. Because I will not hold a long position open if I'm not bullish on the crypto. But all right. In general, Solana, I would say at this point of time is bullish. But the thing is that Solana on its own really does not have that much momentum. All right, so you can see that the open interest, all right, it's going up right now. So that is good. This is good news. But if you compare this open interest and the gain of open interest, so the gain of momentum that we have for Solana compared to the momentum we have for Bitcoin, which is going up much, much more and is much closer to the levels we were at the start of April and at the end of March. So Solana on its own is just quite weak. And I think we can also see that very well with Solana against Bitcoin. Yeah, this is still bearish, all right? And I think that has a lot to do. Look, before we get into that, I think Solana will still do good, all right? So I'm not worried about Solana per se. But the thing is that at this point of time, when we talk about the fundamentals for Solana, usually those did not matter much, all right? So if you go, for example, to these numbers, which I will look up real quick. But if you look at these numbers, like the daily active addresses, daily transactions, etc., they're not bearish. Like they're still up a lot in the last 3 months, including the TVL and the DEX volumes. But they have been down a bit. Now, usually the price doesn't react much to this. Not like a little bit, all right, but not much. But now what's going on is that there's a bigger problem in the fact that we are actually, like, out of all the transactions, a ton of them are not passing. Like at this point of time, I think it's like 30, or yesterday evening it was like 32% that actually passed, but at times it was also 25% that passed, which is just, that's not good, all right? That's just, those are real things that when people use Solana, it just isn't great to use. And personally, I've also run into this problem when trading meme coins. It's just not amazing, all right? So this actually does have an effect on how people view Solana and how bullish people are. Now, if I look at Bitcoin right now, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. Solana is very correlated to Bitcoin as well. So I do think right now the main resistance level is this level right here at like 184 and like 188. I think we'll find some resistance there, but ultimately, if Bitcoin remains strong, look, Solana is going to rally above that. It's going to break above that. It's going to get back up to $200 if Bitcoin is bullish. All right, so that's the bad part. That Solana on its own right now really does not have that much momentum. And if that happens, if the open interest for Solana really starts rallying, so above 3 billion and hopefully even 3.1 billion, then Solana can rally on its own. But I do think that for that to happen, we need to clear up the fundamentals a bit. And I'm not sure what the timeline is on that. So overall, I'm bullish on Solana, right? I think we'll encounter some resistance soon, but I do think we'll break above that as long as Bitcoin stays bullish, which I would say as long as we're above 70,000, we're bullish. And from there, we'll see again, all right? So yeah, next price target would probably be right here between 195. Well, 195 and then ultimately 200 and then 210, but that's for later. I'll keep you updated on this every day, of course. But for now, those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.